Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing Aura Carver Mat and Kodak Digital Frame in 2026. So by the end of this video, you will know which digital frame is actually worth your money. So the Aura Carver Mat focuses on the premium design and a high resolution display. It has a modern minimal look and automatically adjusts the brightness based on the lighting. On the other hand, the Kodak Digital Frame is more budget friendly, but the display quality is slightly lower. The colors are and the viewing angles are also decent, but not as sharp as Aura. So if display quality matters to you, Aura is a clear win here. Now, Aura is very simple to set up using its application. Photos can be added instantly from anywhere, and it is designed for a smoother user experience. Kodak frames usually rely on the USB SD card or the basic app supports depending on the model. This makes the setup a bit less seamless as compared to Aura. So in terms of usage, Aura again is more convenient. Now, Aura offers the cloud-based photo sharing, automatic photo cropping, and smart display features. It also doesn't require a subscription, whereas Kodak frames focus more on the basic functionality like slideshows, manual controls, and the local storage. So some models include Wi-Fi, but the features are very limited. So if you want smart features, then again, Aura is ahead here. When we talk about the pricing and the value, so you will find Aura more expensive because of its premium build and features. Kodak is more affordable and it works well if you just want a simple photo frame. So the choice actually depends on your budget and your expectations with the product. All in all, if we see that Aura frame here takes the lead and it justifies its pricing. So if this video helped you understand both of the features, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.